Today I came with a question which is considered to be a very tough question for both JEE and NEET also in the wave optics. What is the question? Suppose we are having Young's double slit experiment. There are two sources, S1 and S2, separated by small d, and capital D is the distance between sources and screen. Suppose there is a hole in front of one of the sources. Then due to hole, some wavelength will be missing. I want to find out which wavelength will be missing. If you will try to solve this question, you will have to apply the big formula. That is, if there is a hole at point P, then due to hole, some wavelength will be missing. Therefore, that hole will behave like a dark point. We will apply the formula for dark point. The formula is distance of dark point is d by 2. The formula will be d by 2 will be equal to n minus half lambda capital D upon small d. For first wavelength, we'll keep value of n is equal to 1, and then we'll find out lambda 1, and then we'll keep n is equal to 2, and then we'll find out lambda 2. Don't do all these things. I'm giving you a simple shortcut. First wavelength missing if lambda 1, then lambda will be simply equal to small d square upon capital D. You don't have to solve anything. And for second wavelength missing, we'll keep n is equal to 2, and again we'll solve it. Don't do that. Second wavelength missing is lambda 2, then lambda 2 will be lambda 1 upon 3. Third wavelength missing will be lambda 3 will be equal to lambda 1 upon 5. And if you want to find out the wavelength in visible region, then you can see the wavelength between 300 nanometer to 800 nanometer, which is our visible range. इस कंसेप्ट पर जो प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, वहां से आप देख सकते हैं. और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट, लाइक इट एंड शेयर इट. और अगर आपको दूसरे और चैप्टर्स के लिए इसी टाइप के शॉर्टकट्स चाहिए, टफ क्वेश्चंस चाहिए, तो प्लीज राइट टू अस. यू वांट विच चैप्टर्स, we'll be very happy to help you.